Hey, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I would love to share with you how to give your outfit that perfect touch by using this boho circle earrings with spunky sole. These are the perfect accent for any outfit. I love putting them on with my hair down or with my hair up. It brings so much elegance. I also love that they're handmade. I want you to take a look close up. They're handmade, so each one of them is going to be very unique. They're very, very original. The length is 2-inch long and it's 1.25-inch wide. They're the perfect size, as you can see. And something so unique about spunky sole, not only that they have beautiful earrings, they're not heavy, they're just the right weight, but also something that's a plus for me is how the package was delivered. And the cutest little bag, I feel so special. This would make the perfect gift. They look and feel like quality material. They give the perfect touch to your outfit. Anybody would love this. I highly recommend them, and that is my point of view.